Welcome to our channel. My name is Jillian and I'm an UPLIFT teen mentor here at UPLIFT. Feel free to subscribe below for tools on meditation, yoga, manifesting, and journaling to own your whole wellness, mind, body, and spirit. Okay guys, today I am so excited to share 5 quick tips with you all to help you quick start your self-love journey. It's helped me tremendously, and the moment I realized and implemented these tools, I was like a new person. So let's get started with number 1. First tip that has completely changed my life is unfollowing people who don't make me feel the best way about myself. And the moment I started to change my social media feed to just uplifting content was the moment I was able to really appreciate social media for what it is. When we take the power in our hands to change what we want to see and the content we see, it is like a whole game changer. One of my most favorite accounts is Earth, and it really just connects me back and makes me feel a part of something so big, and I love nature, so highly suggest you go give it a follow. Tip number 2 is journal. Gosh, I specifically know this one has changed me. Whenever I was just feeling down on myself, writing the words on paper and being able to look back and see like how you spoke to yourself or like what is going on and get that like third person view is so useful. So whether you're struggling with something specific or even in the moment, anything that's troubling you, I always suggest to all my friends to just write it all down, take deep breaths, and then read it over again. Journaling is so good for you because it connects the left side of your brain with the right side of your brain, really bringing you clarity. I know with me, when I do like a whole word vomit on a page, I tend to really figure out the real meaning of what is going on in my life or what I'm really upset about after reading over my words. Tip number 3 is affirmations. And this is amazing because it really sets your intention for the day. So grab a post-it note or grab a piece of paper, write down an I am statement or something that you really want to manifest in your life and stick it up on your wall. The act of writing it down and really looking at it and that repetition builds that manifestation and it's more likely to become true. You know, I have a sticky note right now on my wall. It's been there for a couple months and it says, "You are meant for greatness." And that just reminds me of my purpose here, and it really brings me back to what I want to accomplish in my life. Tip number 4 is schedule self-care. And this is so important, especially in the day and age we live in. So fast moving and we constantly have to be on all the time. So to schedule literal time in your calendar to have some alone time is so critical. Grab your phone right now. I want to see you guys do it. Let's schedule time. New event, click on calendar, new event, and just say self-care. For me, that looks like going on walks and listening to podcasts, face masks, and, making breakfast. Our last and final tip is tip number 5, and it's gratitude. This is scientifically proven again that you can't focus on gratitude and anxiety simultaneously in your brain. So when you focus on that gratitude, you are eliminating the anxiety in your life. And I know I have so much to be grateful for. If you can just find just one thing to be grateful for each and every day, it will really change your outlook on how you view things and negative situations. Thinking it is so powerful, but even more so is writing it down, as we previously mentioned in tip number 2. So make sure to find some time to just write down what you are thankful for. I know with me, I have it's like a 5-minute gratitude journal, and I literally write down what I'm thankful for in the morning, what I'm thankful for at night. Thanks guys for joining me for this video. That is it. I had so much fun sharing my favorite tips that have helped me in my journey. Comment below what tips have helped you. I would love to know and implement them in my own life. Okay guys, have a great day.